Want to elevate your home with a touch of everyday luxury? These brilliant Amazon essentials are designed to upgrade your space, boost comfort, and make life feel effortlessly refined. From smart upgrades to stylish must-haves, they bring a luxe vibe to every corner. All product links are in the description below. Your wine can taste better before you even take the first sip. This electric decanter spins your wine in smooth 360-degree rotations, opening up the aroma without you lifting a finger. A built-in gravity sensor turns it on only when the glass carafe sits on top and stops the moment you lift it. You can choose the speed with a simple twist, and it shuts off automatically after 10 minutes. The crystal carafe is lead-free, easy to clean with included beads, and the base runs on either a USB cable or AA batteries. Keeping your toothbrush clean has never been this easy. This UV station uses dual-band light to wipe out nearly all bacteria, giving you a truly hygienic brush every day. It even runs a smart cycle that reactivates every 4 hours, keeping your whole setup protected around the clock. You get room for 6 brushes, 3 cups, and a built-in toothpaste dispenser that works for both kids and adults. Turning your living room into a cozy retreat is easier than you think. This large TV stand holds screens up to 80 inches with a strong U-shaped support that stays steady year after year. The built-in fireplace shows crystal flames in 8 colors with 5 brightness settings and can warm the room or run as pure ambiance. You control everything from the remote or the touchscreen, including temperature and timer. 2 enclosed storage sections with adjustable shelves keep clutter tucked away, and the simple structure makes setup easy for one person. Time to give your books a home that actually makes you smile. This playful bookcase looks like a turtle carrying your favorite reads right on its back, turning storage into art. A sturdy metal frame with 3 solid shelves keeps everything steady and secure. It blends nature with a touch of whimsy, making your space feel creative and unique. Set it down, load it up, and let this little creature carry the weight for you. Cold wine should not be a struggle. This electric chiller keeps a single bottle at the perfect temperature with a brushed metal chamber that cools fast and stays clean. You set the exact temperature on the touchscreen from 41 to 64 degrees, and the display shows it clearly. No melting ice and no water puddles. It fits most standard bottles, and the elegant design works anywhere from a small kitchen to an RV. If you like knowing what is happening outside without stepping out, this station makes it easy. A bright color display shows wind, rain, temperature, humidity, UV, and sun levels in real time. The outdoor sensor sends everything wirelessly, and the system supports both metric and imperial units. You can even connect it to a global weather network through Wi-Fi. The console runs on a simple adapter, and the sensor uses 3 AAA batteries. Comfort gets smarter with a thermostat that learns your routine. It helps lower heating and cooling costs while keeping rooms steady with the included sensor. You also get alerts for poor air quality and reminders when it is time to change filters. The large display is clear, and the built-in speaker lets you use voice control and play music. It works with most home systems, and it can even warn you about open windows or sudden drops in temperature. Bad smells do not stand a chance. This compact purifier releases a low and safe level of ozone to break down odors from litter boxes, pets, smoke, and musty rooms. The control panel is simple and gives you different modes for different needs. It runs quietly and needs no filters, so you can place it anywhere without fuss. Just be sure the room is empty during use and let the air settle before you return. Big screen nights hit differently when the colors look real. This triple laser projector shows deep blacks, bright highlights, and a wide color range that makes movies feel alive. Autofocus and Keystone adjust the picture instantly, whether you are projecting in a small room or going all the way up to 300 inches. You get sharp, 4K clarity, fast streaming, and smooth gaming with ultra-low lag. Voice control and built-in apps make it a full entertainment hub without extra boxes. Cooking for a crowd feels easier with an oven that does it all. This large air fryer roasts, bakes, crisps, and even toasts with consistent results. The dual-speed fan pushes hot air around food for fast, even browning. You can fit a 6-pound chicken or a 12-inch pizza inside and watch everything through the clear French doors. The stainless steel body looks clean and modern on any counter. Great coffee should be simple. This machine grinds, doses, brews, and froths at the touch of a button with 18 drink presets ready to go. You can dial in the strength, change the size, add an extra shot, and save your favorite combos. 2 removable bean hoppers let you switch from dark roast to decaf without any fuss. The milk frother makes smooth foam automatically, and the guided setup handles all the guesswork. Bathroom visits become a lot more comfortable with a toilet that handles everything for you. It lifts the lid when you walk up, closes it when you leave, and flushes powerfully even with low water pressure. The built-in bidet offers warm water, adjustable pressure, and a gentle dry at the end. A soft night light and digital display help during late hours without harsh glare. The heated seat finishes the experience with steady warmth. Warm towels are the easiest upgrade to any bathroom. This roomy warmer fits 2 oversized bath towels or a robe and heats them on a simple timer. You choose 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, and it turns off on its own. The stainless steel tub prevents rust or buildup, and the base stores the cord neatly. A built-in surge protection system keeps it safe and reliable every time you use it. Hosting gets easier when the drinks make themselves. This mixer blends perfectly balanced cocktails in 10 to 30 seconds, using the ingredients you already have. Pair it with the app to browse recipes or create your own and save them for next time. The insulated container keeps mixers cold for hours, and the clear windows show when you need a refill. Setup is quick and cleaning is simple, so you can enjoy the party instead of working behind the bar. Movie nights just got an upgrade. This smart coffee table hides a mini fridge right inside the drawer, so cold drinks are always within arm's reach. You can play music through built-in speakers and set the mood with soft LED lights underneath. A touch panel on top lets you adjust the temperature, lighting, and even connect your TV Audio Plus. It has USB ports, extra outlets, and storage drawers, keeping your devices charged and your space organized. It's a simple plug-and-play way to make your living room smarter, cooler, and ready for any gathering. Breathe easier and live healthier with this smart air purifier. It captures 99% of allergens, dust, pet dander, pollen, and even mold or bacteria, keeping your space clean and safe. Medical-grade HEPA filters and multi-stage purification remove particles as small as 0.05 microns, while sensors adjust the fan automatically based on your air quality. You can control it from your phone, set schedules, and track filter life, so fresh air is always just a tap away. Sleek and compact, it works in any room, quietly making every breath better. Cleaning up has never been this effortless. This automatic dustpan slides quietly across your floor, sweeping up dirt, dust, and crumbs without you bending over. Smart sensors detect messes, and the pan guides debris straight into its built-in bin. It works on hardwood, tile, or low-pile carpet, making daily tidying faster and easier. Rechargeable and compact, it stores away neatly when not in use. Now you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. Transform any room into a fragrant oasis with this smart oil diffuser. Its advanced misting technology spreads a gentle, long-lasting aroma throughout your space, while Wi-Fi control lets you schedule scents from your phone or with voice assistants. You choose from hundreds of fragrance options, all made from safe, hypoallergenic oils perfect for kids and pets. The diffuser also doubles as stylish decor, blending seamlessly into any room. It's an easy, modern way to make your home smell amazing without ever lifting a finger. Upgrade your kitchen with this luxury fridge that combines style with powerful performance. Its spacious compartments hold everything neatly, while dual ice makers and an external water dispenser provide chilled water and ice on demand. Super cool and super freeze modes chill or freeze food quickly, keeping items fresh longer. Adjustable shelves, bright interiors, and sleek handles make organization simple and elegant. From daily groceries to entertaining guests, this fridge keeps everything perfectly stored and ready to enjoy. Step into this tub and it instantly feels like a private spa. 56 jets go to work at once, with 26 massage jets easing tight muscles, while 30 bubbling nozzles wrap you in a soft, fizzy flow. 2 gentle waterfall pillows send warm, oxygen-rich water down your neck for a calming, melt-into-it feeling. The deep, roomy design gives you space to stretch out and fully unwind. And because it's built for 2, you can enjoy the experience side by side in total comfort. Pop the cork with zero effort. This electric wine opener uncorks up to 50 bottles on a single charge and recharges quickly for your next gathering. Just press remove to pull out the cork and eject to release it. It handles synthetic and natural corks without breaking them, and the included foil cutter trims seals neatly. Compact, cordless, and sleek, it's ready to serve wine anytime. This chair turns your living room into a personal wellness zone. 10 rollers and 8 airbags work together to loosen tight muscles in your back, waist, and hips, giving you the kind of relief you usually get from a spa. You can choose from 5 auto programs or 15 custom settings, ranging from light relaxation to deep tissue pressure. Built-in Bluetooth sound and a handy phone holder let you watch, read, or scroll without ever lifting your arms. And with a zero-gravity recline that leans back to roughly 165 degrees, gentle heat, night lights, and an extendable footrest, it feels like floating your stress away. Start your morning with fresh, homemade juice in seconds. This electric juicer works with almost any citrus fruit, lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits up to 4.5 inches. One-button operation presses fruit automatically, and the removable bowl is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. 2 pulp filters let you choose smooth juice or a little texture BPA free and easy to use. It turns healthy drinks, cocktails, or recipes into effortless refreshment. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.